Guys, today I'm going to be building a goat hay feeder out of this storage tote. It's kind of windy, so I'm going to just do a voiceover. The first thing is to get the plastic part out. So to do that, I have to unscrew the top support. Once the brackets are removed, it's time to remove the plastic piece. Now the valve has to be turned off in order for this to slide out. You see that I struggled a little bit doing it. I'm using my angle grinder and a cutoff wheel. I'm taking off this metal sign. It has two brackets, one on each side, that I cut off. Then you want to cut the long sides from the short sides, starting from one row up and not cutting the top row. Don't cut any of the bottom row or the top row on the short sides. You want to leave the short sides for support. I had to go back and cut more of the long side off on the sides because it wouldn't fold in with that part hitting the short side. Right here you get a better view of how I cut it. Once everything's cut, you kind of want to bend the long sides end so that it forms a triangle pointing down. I jammed a piece of scrap wood underneath the triangle to support it and keep it from falling down. Once that's in place, I drilled a couple pilot holes and then secured them with some screws. I also secured this piece of wood on each of the short ends with some screws as well. Now to make the rain protection for the hay, you want to cut the top off of the storage tote. This is going to go back on the top of the hay feeder and keep all the rain from getting on the hay. I went ahead and cut more material off the long end because of the angled metal was getting in the way, and I wanted the plastic to sit farther down in the feeder. Go ahead and cut the bottom off the storage tote. This is just going to fit into the bottom as high as that bottom metal rung is, and this is to catch anything that falls, and you want to make sure you keep the valve open so if water does get in there, it just drains out. Here is the finished product in the goat pen, and they are enjoying it and eating at it, just not right now because they have a little sweet feed in their other feeder. Thanks for watching.